welcome back to How to Bank. Hope you guys are safe and doing absolutely fine. After a long gap, we have started to make new videos. Hope you like our videos. We are going to start with Bank of Baroda new website and a series for Bank of Baroda internet banking. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into new Bank of Baroda internet banking and what are the features available. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Go to bankofbaroda.in. So this website they have reshaped, rearranged, and it's brand new look. Click on login. Click on Baroda Connect Net Banking India. If you have an international customer, you can click here. For this, we will make separate videos. For now, let's go to Indian page and click on retail users. So far, all looks same, but here, so if you see, the login page is different. Compare this with our old login page. On your right side, if you see, this is how the login page used to look before. So input your user ID, select the language and click on login. Before you click on login, check these options they have now put on the login page itself. That is, if you want to unlock your user or you want to reset your security answers, or you forgot your user ID. There is also option available to register online using a debit card, or if you want to set the password or forgot the password. For OTP activation, there is also link available. So they have made everything available on your login page for login options. That's interesting, isn't it? Click on login. Input your password. And the captcha code. Now this is a numeric captcha code. Sometimes there are alphanumeric as well. Okay, this is interesting now. From this, you can navigate straightway to dashboard, fund transfer, or other transactions. For now, I'm going for dashboard. Okay, so this is the landing page, or what they call it, dashboard. I'll maximize it. Okay, so the quick links are available on your left side. Then they got accounts, transfers, bill payments, investment. If you have some money, you can invest using these options. For now, let's check services as well. And there is a snapshot. So we are going to make a series of videos for Bank of Baroda for next few days. So stay tuned. On this dashboard, you see an option called personalized dashboard. If you log in first time, everything is empty. It's not really user friendly, or it's not really giving you any information. At least you should be able to see your balance when you log in. So you can personalize this. Click on personalized dashboard. So here are the options. You can see a consolidated summary of all your accounts, or if you are using multiple customer IDs, you can use this option to see a summary. If you want to see only deposit accounts, you can click on this, or if you want to see deposit and loan account, you can click both of them. So it gives you a small dashboard, or if you want to use only operative or a combination of five options, you can do that. So I'm going to take all of them. and then you can see how it looks like. Insufficient, so it appears only 4 options can be used. Alright, so let's see how it looks. Very well. So here is customer wise. Let's change a little bit. Remove the customer wise ID and see how it looks. Luckily I don't have a loan account or a deposit account. That's why this dashboards or these small tiles are empty. It's better not to have loan. What do you think? So let's do only operative accounts. Okay, see, it always realigns your dashboard every time you change it. So this is a really good feature. So this was a small video of how to log in to Bank of Baroda new net banking and how to personalize your dashboards. Hope you like our video. We will make more videos for Bank of Baroda. Thank you for watching this video and have a wonderful day.